Hello friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to configure self-signed SSL certificate on Apache for Red Hat Linux or CentOS. SSL, which stands for Secure Socket Layer, or the web protocols which is used to wrap the normal traffic in a protected encrypted wrapper. Using this SSL, servers can send the traffic safely between the server and the client without the concern that the messages will be intercepted and read by the outside party. The SSL certificate also assists the users in verifying the identity of the sites that they are connecting to. Now we can see how to install the self-signed SSL certificate on Apache for CentOS or Red Hat Linux. For this, you need to have the Apache installed on your system. I have already installed the Apache. So next we can see how to install the mod SSL, which is the Apache module that provides the support for SSL encryption. To install the mod SSL, the command is yminstall mod_SSL. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the mod SSL package is successfully installed. Now we can see how to create a new certificate. First we can create a new directory to store our private key for the certificates, mkdir/etc SSL private. Now we can set permissions for the new directory 700 etc SSL private. Now we change the permission. Now we can see how to create the certificate. The command is openSSL req-x 509. The X509 is a public key infrastructure standard that SSL and TLS use for the keys and for certificate management. -note. This -notes option tells the OpenSSL to skip the option to secure our certificate with the passphrase. So we need Apache to write the file without user intervention. So when the server starts up, password would prevent this from happening. So we are using the node option to skip the password. And next is -days, the number of days you can mention. This option sets the length of the time that the certificate will consider valid. We can set it for 1 year. Now the next is -new key RSA 2048. This specifies that we want to generate a new certificate and a new key at the same time. We need not create the key that is required to sign the certificate in the previous steps, so we need to create it along with the certificate. The RSA 2048 tells to make a RSA key that is 2048 bits long, space -key out, and the path to save the private key, space -out private.crt. This key out option tells the OpenSSL where to place the generated private key file that we are creating, and the out option is used to place the certificate that we are creating. Now give enter. Now we need to mention your country code here, and the state, the city, your company name, and here you need to mention the host name. Here you can give your domain name or you can provide your server IP address. I'm going to give the server IP address. Next, the email ID. Now we have successfully created our certificate files. Now you can check the files. Now here you can see the 2 files created. Next we can see how to create a strong Diffie-Hellman group, which is used in negotiating the perfect forward secrecy with the clients. We can do this by using the following command: openSSL dhparem-out /etc SSL cert dhparem.pem 2048. Now give enter. You can see it is generating the DH parameter. This will take some time. Now the process is done. Now we have the strong DH group at the certificates directory that we can use in our configuration. Next we need to have a manually append the generated file to the end of our self-signed certificate. To do that, use the following command: cat etc SSL certificate dhparem.pem pipe symbol t-a space /etc SSL certificates SSL.crt. Now give enter. Now the CRT file have both the certificate and the generated Diffie-Hellman group. Now we can add our certificate to our domain I've already created one virtual host in etc httpd conf.d slash test.com.conf. Here now I'm going to add the SSL configuration. I'm going to change it to 443 for HTTPS and add the following lines to your virtual host: SSL engine on SSL certificate file slash etc SSL private slash SSL dot crt and SSL certificate key file space slash etc SSL slash private slash SSL dot key. Now save the file and exit. You can run the Apache CTL config test command to check the configuration. Now the syntax is okay. Now restart the Apache web server, restart HTTPD. Now the Apache service is restarted. Now you can check our configuration, enter your IP address, and you can see the now give confirm. Now we can see the test.com test page. If you are going to enter your domain name instead of IP address and get your content by browsing the domain name. In this video we saw how to configure self-signed SSL certificate on Apache for CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.